It's ready. We can make bread! This is great. We snagged ourselves a nice fat Big Bat. How's about we make some omelets?
Are we 100% sure this thing's an egg? It looks nothing like any egg I've ever seen.
That's what a snake egg looks like.
But only the tail part of it's the snake. All the chickeny parts are the body.
The chickeny part's the tail.
This one's a different color than the others.
You're right. Oh, that's the one Marcel got. It still has a head.
First, you chop the mandrakes up, then stir-fry them for a bit. Crack an egg and whip it. Once it gets all fluffy in the pan...
Compared to a chicken egg, this is yellowier.
This one's got the mandrake we picked in it, and this one's got the mandrake the elf girl picked using her Big Bat method.
Sure, keep rubbing it in, why don't ya?
No.
The one with Marcel's mandrake is less bitter and more velvety.
It is good.
I guess it loses whatever toxins it has when it screams. The basic rule of cooking is the more effort you put in, the better the taste. I was so hell-bent on being efficient, I totally forgot that fact. My apologies, Marcel. You and that cookbook of yours were right.
Hey, this is not a cookbook!
As thanks for pointing out my mistake, I saved the tastiest parts for you.
I don't want it! I'm sick and tired of eating these icky monsters!
The entrance to the secret path should